Hey channel, welcome to the end of your ride. So still got Himalayan. I'll do the new bike announcement in a minute. Sorry, looking absolutely a mess. So I just come down the Brisbane River road. Snipped out on New Year's Eve. It's after lunch now on New Year's Eve. And I've just come down here, Brisbane River. Because it's hardly flowing now, because it's actually started getting algae. Oh, the water boatman as well. Wow. So it's coming down there, that way, and also no, it's switched bend domain. So it's this bend, so it's coming down this way. Yeah, I'm going that way. I'm going that way. But then it'll loop around. I just passed it 3 other times actually. There's Himalayan. So I thought, feeling a bit guilty. The new bike's been getting used exclusively. So I thought I'd better take the Himalayan out for a bit of a treat. Wow, it's going to rain, isn't it? You can see it in the clouds there. So yeah, I'm going to have to get it serviced before I leave. Well, probably before that in March. So as soon as the other bike gets on the container, which is March, I think it's the second week of March, that new bike goes on the container. I'll probably be selling the car at that point as well. And that's going to pay for the first year on the road by selling the car. And then this Himalayan will get kept. So I'm going to keep the Himalayan. I'm not going to sell it. So I know it's just had a rebuild. I mean, yeah, I've lost confidence in it. I just couldn't bring myself to take it around the world. It's just too much of a liability now from that point of view. I'm still going to keep it though. It's probably worth nothing second hand at this point. Unless you want to buy and you're in Australia and you want to buy a cheap Himalayan that's about an engine rebuild, let me know. I might need the money next year. Look at that beautiful crane. So anyway, so I'll be staying in Australia 2023, like I say. I'm just bedding in the new bike. I'll do a comparison of it because it's actually probably one of the other bikes I should have ridden before I bought the Himalayan, but I mean it is £6,000 more than the Himalayan in terms of money. So you know, it's not a cheap alternative. It's almost double the price. I mean, I got my Himalayan for a really good price, so I can't complain. So you know, from that perspective, you know, I really can't complain. I paid about 6,200 I think for my Himalayan after all the discounts, and it gave me some free racks. I think the racks actually gave at the end of the day to me. So, I got stock Himalayan, folks. Right, let's go. Might be a second. There you go, Charles. Then your bike. What a ride. Crazy hair again. Sorry, folks. There we go. Side by side. I'll do the review another day. It's too hot in this garage. I gotta go.